Proper cleaning of your Oral-B electric toothbrush handle is essential for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. We'll cover both daily and weekly cleaning protocols to keep your device bacteria-free and functioning properly. Daily cleaning should be performed after each use and takes less than 1 minute. This routine prevents bacterial buildup and maintains device hygiene between deep cleanings. Step 1. Remove the brush head immediately after use. Step 2. Rinse handle connection under lukewarm water. Step 3. Wipe entire handle with damp cloth. Step 4. Dry completely with clean towel. Step 5. Store in upright, well-ventilated position. Understanding your toothbrush components helps ensure thorough cleaning. Here, you can see the internal structure and connection points that require attention during cleaning. Weekly deep cleaning provides thorough sanitization and should be performed every 7 days. This process eliminates bacteria that daily cleaning might miss and extends your toothbrush lifespan. Step 1. Remove brush head and detachable parts. Step 2. Use 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes on handle. Step 3. Use cotton swab with alcohol on connection point. Step 4. Wipe charging station with disinfectant. Step 5. Allow all components to dry before reassembly. Regular maintenance prevents common issues like loose brush heads and ensures optimal performance. Proper cleaning protocols can extend your toothbrush lifespan significantly. Following these daily and weekly protocols reduces bacterial contamination by up to 95% and extends device lifespan by an average of 18 months. Consistent cleaning habits are essential for optimal oral health. When cleaning your electric toothbrush handle, following proper safety guidelines is essential to protect both your device and your health. Never submerge the handle completely in water. Electric toothbrush handles contain sensitive electronic components that can be damaged by full water immersion. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the handle's surface and internal components. Always ensure the device is turned off during cleaning. Keep charging ports completely dry during the cleaning process to prevent electrical damage and ensure safe operation. The electric toothbrush industry is rapidly evolving with innovative hygiene technologies that make cleaning more effective and convenient. UV sanitization technology is becoming increasingly popular, with specialized cases that eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and viruses from toothbrush handles. Smart hygiene monitoring through app connectivity allows users to track cleaning schedules and receive maintenance reminders directly on their smartphones. Newer toothbrush models now incorporate antimicrobial materials directly into the handle construction, providing continuous protection against bacterial growth between cleanings. Leading dental professionals emphasize that proper handle hygiene is just as important as replacing brush heads regularly. Dr. Sarah Chen from the American Dental Association states that the handle of an electric toothbrush can actually harbor more bacteria than the brush head itself if not properly maintained. The recommendation is clear: treat handle cleaning as seriously as your daily brushing routine. This simple practice can significantly reduce bacterial contamination and improve overall oral health.